actually have sand in them. It's just
Hey everybody, come on in. It's your girl V. I want you to go on a boat ride with me really, really quick, okay? I got my girl Courtney over here.
Hello.
Courtney's gonna be, we're about to take this trip. Hello, hello. And then I have Kathleen right there. So we getting ready to take us a nice trip. We got a captain right? Dion is our captain. All right, all right. So I got Glow.
If y'all want to sit together for a second.
Got Debbie. Okay.
Yeah, you can sit right here.
Okay.
All right, make sure you keep your mask on.
Okay, we got masks on.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Thank you.
Which way you want me to sit now? You can sit right there if you want to. Okay, everybody. So, hey. We're about to take us a quick little boat ride. My battery's a little low because I've been doing all kinds of things all day long. So I'll take you with me as far as it'll go today. And I'm gonna be doing some more stuff tomorrow, so I'll bring you back in again. But hello, everybody. Avis Lindsay, Shirley Reed, thank you for joining in. Hello, Evangelo, Gail Hudson. Hey, Mama Hall. Hey, Joyce Lockett. Hey, Ritoya, Diane Lester, Robin Moore, Latrenzy Butcher. Hello. Hey, Jan. Hey, Dr. Felice. So we're getting ready to take a boat ride. So we're here on our little boat, as you can see. So we're getting ready to sail out. Yes. So I just want to bring you in and show you different little things every day.
All right, if you look over here to my left before we get too far away from it, that is a willow oak bonsai.
Bonsai? Oh, right here.
121 years old.
That's the bonsai. He said it's over 121 years old, y'all.
It's older than the Titanic.
Yes. So I have, hello, Jean Roundtree.
The wild grows to be 75 to 100 feet tall.
Maria Jones, hello. Miss Betty Crater, hello. Calandra Harper, hello.
My name's Dan. Welcome aboard. Hope y'all are having a great day. We'll learn a little bit about the hotel. Sit back and enjoy the cruise. This is the Delta Atrium, and it is...
Hello, Cheryl McNeil.
The Delta Atrium was opened up in 1996, and when they opened it up, they had a ceremony. They sent out 3,000 empty Jack Daniel bottles around the world to collect water samples. They got about 1,700 back, and they lined everybody up on the banks, and they poured the water into the river. It was called the blending of the waters. So those plaques out there on the sidewalk, they've got the names of all the different
Hey, LaChera Taylor.
places they got water samples from, all 50 states and over 30 countries.
Sherelle McNeil, hello, darling.
Those two trees right there are tabletop black olive trees from the West
Hey, Maria
Indies.
Jones.
And the building directly in front of us.
Okay, so this is one of the little boat rides that we will actually take whenever we come back for our tour, our girls' weekend getaway.
That hotel then had 600 rooms. The hotel now has 2,888 rooms.
Okay.
That chandelier directly in front of us is the largest chandelier in the house. It has 158 lights, weighs 3,000 pounds, made out of wrought iron. I've got one just like it in my house in the foyer.
I know that's right, baby. I have that waterfall in mine.
In 2010, the Cumberland River, which flows right outside the parking lot, flooded the hotel. If you look there on that white
Thank you, Evangelo. Glad you enjoyed it.
On that white pole, that is
hello, Sylvia Leslie. Teresa Rose Warren. Hello. Keisha Wimberly.
That is how deep the water was in the hotel when it flooded.
Yes. Hello, Viola Wimberly.
They spent $200 million to get the hotel back open again in 6 months.
Wow.
There are a lot of fish in here. There are carp, there are catfish, and brim. True story, back before the flood, there was a large catfish in the river.
Hello, Pat Mitchell.
He weighed 85 pounds.
Hey,
His name
Angela
was Donnie.
Clay. Hello.
And when the hotel
Anitra
flooded,
Maria. Hello.
Donnie
Regina Gooch.
escaped
Connie
back out
Odom.
into the Cumberland River.
We're taking a quick tour, a boat ride tour. This is on the inside of the resort. And we will be coming back here in August. I'll have all your details and all your payment plans and everything ready for you. So all you have to do is make your payments and we will all travel together safe distance. I have all your
This
social
is,
distance and regulation and rules and everything together, okay?
This is a convention hotel. Usually this time of year, the hotel would be completely
Hey,
full.
Bridget Johnson.
Up there on the first floor right there is the Delta Ballroom, and that is the largest ballroom in Tennessee. That ballroom holds 7,000 people.
Hey, Anna Thomas.
The largest meal ever served here was 9,000 people at one time.
Hello, Anitra Dennis. Hey, Gwen Ellington.
Got some fun fruit trees over here on the right, if you can see them.
The Trinity, this is the Gaylord Opryland Resort in Nashville, Tennessee.
Some papaya trees with some papayas on them. Got a couple of papaya trees. There's a
Hey,
guava
Teresa
tree.
Mack.
There are a couple of orange trees.
So everybody,
That
instead
is
of doing our
a,
show tonight, our fashion show tonight, we're going to be doing that
tree,
next
kumquat
Friday
tree,
night.
and breakfast
So we just
tree.
wanted to bring you in and do a tour with you,
All the things
so
in
you
the
can see
hotel
the resort
are
that
real.
we're going to be coming to in August, okay? This is
Right
our
up overhead
boat.
is the highest point of the hotel. That's 15 stories high. There are 6,200 panes of glass on the hotel
I have
roof.
Debbie and Gloria with
Each one
me.
weighs about 250 pounds.
Have our tour
If you laid
guide.
them all out on the ground, they would cover 7 football fields. They would withstand hurricane force winds and golf ball sized hail. Did anybody get to see the fountain show?
Hey,
at
Deborah
6
Blash.
o'clock?
Hey, Miss
This
Chris.
is the Delta Fountains.
The Trinity
They're gonna
Butcher.
have another fountain show at 7 o'clock.
Hey,
and
Connie
8 o'clock.
Rogers. Hey, Wendy
So
Fields.
definitely come over and check that out. Sit on the steps over there and watch the show. They'll have lights and music. And
These waterfalls, guys, are to die for. Look at that.
they will be there every night at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Straight up ahead is the Old Hickory Steakhouse. That building up there is a replica of the Evergreen Mansion built in 1830. It's a great place to get a steak dinner. It is fine dining now, so you want to make a reservation.
Which one? The steakhouse? We're going there tomorrow. Okay.
And if you look right overhead on the right here, that is a giant sea grape, also called Eve's umbrella. That is native to South Florida. This river is about a quarter of a mile around, has about 450,000 gallons, and the water is circulated and filtered through these 3 waterfalls up here.
Yes, Connie Rogers' birthday still going on, girl. Hey, George Fields. How are you? Wendy George Fields. Hey, Shay. Baby girl P. Avis Cunningham. Shay, tell your friends this is one of the little boat rides we're going to be taking because this is right inside the resort. So for all your friends that you're inviting to come. Hey, Janelle Dukes. Look at that waterfall, guys. Oh my God, that's beautiful. It's not going to get wet. That is beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yes, honey, yes.
If you look over here directly behind the boat, that room right up there is called the split level presidential suite. That room up there, and it is also called the Dolly Parton room. Had several presidents stay there, also famous celebrities.
Doggone waterfalls,
Anybody
honey.
else that can afford the $4,000.
Hey, Jaquita
room
White,
rate.
thanks for joining in with us. Hey, Penny Webb, thank you for joining in with us. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little trip,
We're gonna pull up here.
little tour through the resort. We're on a little boat ride for tonight.
We're gonna give
Tomorrow night we'll be at the steakhouse, and I'll show you that as well. We will be back here in August, guys, so I will be putting your information out so that we can start your payment plans and everything nice and early, okay? We will have some regulations for safety and all of that kind of good stuff, so you don't have to worry about that.
The largest banyan tree in the world is in India, and one tree covers 5 acres.
The weeping tree, guys. Let me. The what? Weeping? Wishing tree. This is the wishing tree, he say. Wishing tree. Make a wish right here under the wishing tree. Oh, I wish everybody that's on this live was here with me right now. That's my wish for right now. Doggone it. Hey, Lucy Butler. Hey, Rose King. Y'all remember my battery is low now, so I'm going to take you as far as it'll go, okay? That's pretty.
This sign over here hanging on the wall on the left is an authentic sign from New Orleans. You remember that song Linda Ronstadt sang back in the 70s? There are 5 of these boats, and they are replicas of the Mississippi Flat Bottom River boat. We keep them in the boathouse over here on the left. It keeps the temperature in here between 68 and 72 degrees year-round. Try to, anyway. Circulate the air through these big vents up here on the wall. And there's another one of those signs right there from New Orleans. That's my favorite.
Oh, that's pretty.
So the theme of the
Jacqueline
Delta
Gray.
Atrium is the Mississippi Delta. If you look up there on the left, if you've ever been to the French Quarter and seen the wrought iron balconies, that's what they got going on up there on the left. And those 3 trees underneath the balconies are cocoa trees, and cocoa is where we get chocolate from.
Put your mask on. Put your mask on.
There are 5 Gaylord properties in the United States. There's one in Dallas, one in Denver, one in Washington, D.C., one in Orlando. This is the Gaylord Opryland, and it is the largest hotel in North America that doesn't have a casino. 2,888 rooms, 11 acres under glass. I hope you get a chance to check it out. Don't forget about those fountain shows at 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. We'll pull up to the dock here and let the folks in the front out, then we'll let the folks in the back out. But I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for coming. It is a pleasure to have you on the boat.
Thank you. Thanks, Mama Hawk. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Macon.
Oh, okay.
Macon and Cotton, Georgia.
Oh, okay. I'm from St. Petersburg.
Hey, Tatiana Williams.
Macon is halfway to St. Pete. So if you go to
Tatiana is the Gaylord Opryland Resort in Nashville, Tennessee.
I like St. Pete too.
I'll try to walk you as quick as. Thank you so much. Thanks for the tour. Oh yes, we'll be back. We'll be back. Thank you all. Thank you. Okay. All right, everybody. So that was our little boat ride. That's your tour for tonight. Tomorrow I'll try to give you something more. A little bit more. Hey, Regina Bass. Thank you. Okay. Let me show this. There's our photo, everybody. Thank you. Okay. All right, all right. You are so welcome, Miss Dennis. Thank you so much for joining in with us. So tomorrow when we come, I'll make sure I charge my phone up to a full charge. We've been out a good bit today, so I was just getting back in. That's why my phone was not fully charged. But tomorrow I'll make sure that it is, and we can have more fun checking everything else out too, okay? Regina Bass, this is at the Gaylord Opryland Resort in Nashville, Tennessee. We'll be taking a weekend trip here, and we will plan everything up for you. I'll post that whenever we get it all ready, okay? Jan, tell Pat she's going to have to come home when we get ready to take this trip so she can go with us. Want to see if I can get you on the other side really quick so you can see some more of the lights that's already up. They still have some of the Christmas trees up. Yes. Sorry, you're good. You're good. Still got some things up. So we're gonna walk on this side. Y'all want? Okay. We're gonna walk on this side, which is the side that will take us to the inside area, which is the Cascade side. Because there's so many different sides, as you can see down this area. There's one, the Delta level or whatever. There's a gift shop right here. Over on this side. And can't really see. Let's see. I don't know whether the snow is still out here. Yep, still got lots of snow. Whoa, it's cold. Good gracious. Oh. Okay, so y'all, I only covered just a small portion each night. I've only covered a small portion because it is really nice and it's huge. It's a lot to do right here inside. You don't have to go out pretty much for anything because everything is here. Restaurants, everything that you need, entertainment. So I'm trying to get you back to the lights of where I was earlier before my battery go out. So this is the Cascade section. This is the section that we're actually staying in. This is, I think this was the section, part of the section that we stayed in the last time we were here, so that you can overlook from your balcony to the inside areas, okay? I'm gonna take you up real quick. And I'm walking quick, guys, because I don't want my battery to die on you. Hey, Gina Anna. You can see they got bars all down by the water and everything. They got more big waterfalls. Escalator going up. Okay, I'm gonna see, can I get you a little bit closer? I'm going down. Can I get you a little bit closer to the big waterfall? All these plants are live. Right here, the koi pond, right here. Here, see the falls. You can see all the, like I was telling you, all of the plants. Look at the peace lilies, they're so pretty. Every now and then we need to stop and smell the flowers. So pretty. So can I take you around one more time?
Rod Thomas by request. Feeling that 90s smooth now.
Hello. Okay. All right, everybody. Hey, Courtney Hendricks. Thanks for joining in, darling. All right, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out because I don't want you to, I don't want it to cut you off, okay? But I just wanted to join in. I just wanted to join in with you all, bring you in so that you can see exactly what I was telling you, how pretty it is, how relaxing it is. So tomorrow night we'll cover another section, okay? Well, I'll try to anyway. I'll try to get you guys back in tomorrow afternoon so that we can cover another section. Hey, Monica Hall, how are you? Hey, Mike and Molly. Hey, Shantae Greyhouse. I think I got everybody else that was on here. Because if we go this way real quick, we'll go to a whole nother area, okay? Let me just show you really, really quick. So this will take us to a whole nother area. And we'll try to cover that area tomorrow night, okay? All back here. Okay, everybody, it's been fun. I gotta go. It's your girl V, and I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Love you much. Thanks for joining in, everybody. Good night.